Good afternoon, everyone. This is Saro, your clinical pharmacist. So I want to talk to you about FDA seeking Schedule 1 status for legal morphine. So what is legal morphine? So FDA is recommending that 7-hydroxy mitragynine or 7-OH, a synthetic concentrated substance derived from the kratom leaves, be classified as a Schedule 1 substance under the Controlled Substance Act. The recommendation is the latest effort by the agency to raise awareness of and limit access to 7-OH, which acts as an opioid receptor. Receptors in the brain, and it's available as gummies, tablets, and drinkable shots sold at gas stations, smoke shops, and online. The Drug Enforcement Administration, or DEA, will now review the recommendation and launch a public rule making process, which includes a public comment period and can take months to conclude. If the DEA follows the FDA guidance, 7-OH would be in the same class as opioids, morphine, heroin, and other psychoactive drugs, also known as 7-hydroxy or 7-OH-MG. 7 legal morphine, 7-OH makes up less than 1% of the derived leaves of kratom 3, which is a native Southeast Asia 3. The predominant alkaloid in kratom is mitragynine. That's why it's also called 7-hydroxy mitragynine, which makes up to about 60 to 65% of the dried leaves from this tree. Although mitragynine also acts as an opioid receptor, studies suggest concentrated 7-OH formulations are 13 times more potent than the morphine. Research also shows that 7-OH has high abuse potential and may also increase the intake of other opiates. A Kratom Trade Association estimates as many as 12 million people use kratom, but as the new FDA reports notes, data on 7-OH use is scarce. The National Survey on Drug Use and Health collects information on the kratom use, but not 7-OH actually. And the National Poison Data System only added 7-OH specific codes in February, limiting data collection. Therefore, the FDA Adverse Events Reporting System does include some documented cases of adverse events thought to involve 7-OH. Again, this is a summary information and news about FDA seeking Schedule 1 status for legal morphine, which is called 7-OH or 7-hydroxy mitragynine, which comes from kratom tree, mainly grown in Southeast Asia. Again, for more detailed information on this news, refer back to the FDA website, which will give you more information on FDA involvement as well as the DEA involvement on seeking approval for 7-OH or legal morphine to be considered part of the Schedule 1 status drugs. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, stay safe and take your medications.